If you're doing a lot of spraying at home and you have a ride-on mower, you need yourself one of these. So that's fully kitted out. You can turn your ride-on mower into a spraying machine. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough of it. So it's a Suip 15-gallon sprayer, and it also comes with a boom. It's easily applicable, so all you have to do is lift off your grass box. The wheel bar here just sits onto the struts, and you just put your tank onto it. It comes with a 40 psi Devavan pump. So that just sits onto your wee supports there, and you have wee ratchet straps just to tie it on, just in case if you needed that. So it also comes with a full boom that spreads widths of 5 foot, also with 3 non-drip nozzles. So if you wanted to connect that up, you just connect the bottom of that here up to there if you wanted to use that boom. It also comes with a 4 metre hose and a hand lance if you just want to do a bit of spraying with the lance. As I said, it's very easy to apply there. You can literally just turn your ride-on mower into a spraying machine. You'll have your whole spraying done in absolutely no time. So if you wanted to take it apart then, all you're doing is lifting the whole lot off there, and your grass box just sits straight back on. Not much to it there at all. As I said, 40 psi Devavan pump, 15 gallon, non-drip nozzles, 5 foot spreading width boom, 4 metre hose, and you have a hand lance as well. So if you're doing a lot of spraying at home and you've ride-on mower, you definitely need to get yourself one of these. You'd have all your spraying done in no time. So if you have any questions there at all, you can see it online or you can call in store in our showroom.